Greetings, my name is Bob Caswell and I am the Product Manager for Microsoft Official Courses. I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of some of the key features and benefits of the digital versions of our courses. Obviously, there's a sense of portability when you have a course in digital format. You can save your personal digital copy at any time, take home your course materials and notes all in one file, edit it at home, bring it back to class the next day. Students can keep these course materials and notes as reference long after the class is over. So today we're going to go through some of these features that are available in the digital version of Microsoft Official Courses. This includes enhanced bookmarking and browsing, enhanced note-taking and markup tools, notes tracking, searchability, and those sorts of things. So let's get started. First off, in the left-hand side here, there's a bookmarks pane. This is exactly how you'd see the course as you'd open it up for the first time. And if you want to jump to a particular section, you can check the little plus box here, and you can see that each module of the course is hyperlinked, so you can just jump rather than having to know the page number. You can just jump to whichever section you'd like to. And even underneath each module, you can see that there are different lessons, and you can go to the different sections in those lessons. The lab answer keys for any given course can be found at the end of the bookmarks pane here, lab answer key, and this provides the detailed instructions for all the different labs that are available in each of the separate modules of the course. So that's the bookmarks pane. Next, let's take a look at commenting and annotations. Right here you can see this comment button. If you click on it and click on the show comment and markup toolbar, you'll get this hovering toolbar you can place wherever is convenient to you. And you can, on any page, highlight a word and click on this sticky note, and this allows you to create a sticky note on top of that section. So I'm going to add a note here. Don't forget to turn on the computer before starting this section. Pretty simple. Some other things you can do are text edit. So if you don't like a word or you think there's bad grammar, you can go up here and click on the text edits button. This gives you an overview of the different things you can do: insert text, delete text, replace text. So you click on the little arrow right next to it, and let's say you want to replace the selected text. It strikes it through and then allows you to type in the word you'd like to put in there instead of the word that's on the page. So instead of have, let's say give. Some other things you can do are note-taking in the margins. Let's say I want to leave some notes in the margins for myself. The way you do this is you click on the part of the page where you'd like the note, then you click on this little box up here, and you can create a text box in the margin. And in this box I'll put, "Don't forget to eat lunch between modules 4 and 5. Very important." So now I can go back to that note anytime and have it easily referenced. If you go down to the lower left corner, you can see these little quote boxes. You click on this, and this keeps track. It brings up a new pane at the bottom and keeps track of where your sticky notes, your text strike-throughs, and your side margin notes are put in the document. So rather than having to remember each individual page of where you've taken notes, it's all tracked for you here in the bottom, and you can just jump straight to a particular section by clicking on the note itself. And you can edit it even down here, which is a nice thing. One more thing, eat dinner as well later on tonight. So this is a really easy way to keep track of your digital notes. Now, another benefit of having notes in digital format is that they're fully searchable. So let me create a note here on the page, a new one, and I'm going to say presto. This note is very important. The reason I'm using a word like presto is because if I search through the document, it'll now also search through all of my notes that I take in the margin. So I'm using a unique word at the beginning of this particular note because I want a quick and easy way to find it later. So that way, if I'm up here in the click here in the find pane and let's say I reopen the document and I'm somewhere at the top and I don't know where I put that note, all I do is click on Find, type in the word Presto, hit Enter. Now it has to search through 1,019 pages, but it'll find all references of where Presto is in the document, and there it goes. It finds my note before anything else, obviously, because the word Presto is typically not used in Microsoft official courses. So that's an easy way to easily find your notes by keyword searches if you'd prefer to do that over this other easy way down here at the bottom, which is just tracking your notes based on where you've put them in the document on which pages. So I hope this was helpful. Quick overview of how you can use enhanced bookmarks in browsing, enhanced note-taking and markup tools, as well as searching your keywords to make your life easier as you use digital Microsoft official courses.